Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Myself is Palmist Dr. Rajendra. Palmist Dr. Rajendra. So let us start immediately our today's video regarding the palmistry. Today I am going to talk with you regarding the texture of the skin. As I am always telling in the beginning as a introduction that many people are wondering. He is an Ayurvedic consultant. We know Professor Dr. Deshpande has a YouTube channel and has already uploaded more than 500 videos regarding the Ayurveda, allopathy, and health problems, teaching subjects, and what he is doing with the palmistry. My dear friends, again and again I am telling you, in our life we play the different roles. When I am doing my practice in the clinic as a physically and personal examination and treating the patients, also online consultation, then my role is Ayurveda and yoga consultant or Professor Deshpande, Dr. Deshpande is lifestyle counselor. I take the online classes of the students. I teach the students. So there, Dr. Deshpande becomes the professor. One is Ayurvedic consultant, second is a professor, and this is the third category in my life because this is also my passion that we will talk about palmistry. So in that videos, my role becomes palmist Dr. Rajendra, but not only palmist. I take it to myself as a palmist research consultant. This is most important part, research consultant, because I want that this palmistry science can be converted from occult science to the science. And that's why I have started this series of palmistry. My WhatsApp and mobile number is the same 922681060. But my kind request, this mail ID is different for palmistry. Kindly note, whenever you want to suggest me, whenever you want to ask me, whenever you want to consult me, whenever you want to send your photos, you must send these photos on palmist, not palmistry, palmist Dr. Rajendra at the rate of gmail.com. Okay. So I will make my screen bigger so that it's more enjoyable. Let us move further. In palmistry, as it is a science of inner conscious, palmistry is a science of your inner mind, inner conscious. This is physical, mental, this is okay with Ayurveda. But then metaphysical, meta psychological, that is inner conscious. So I always appeal that you must get this knowledge, and knowledge is a teacher. Knowledge is a guru. So let us salute to the knowledge. Knowledge is a teacher. Knowledge is a guru. Om Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Om Shanti. Palmistry. What? Why? Why Dr. Deshpande palmistry is doing these things? These videos will not be very casual videos which are available in thousands on the YouTube. I know palmistry is not new for anybody, but these my videos will be definitely different from those videos because Professor Dr. Deshpande's videos on palmistry will be more and more scientific oriented and research oriented. So palmistry is helpful for each person as a SWOT analysis. What is SWOT? We can understand our personality strength. We can understand our own weaknesses. We can understand how much or how many and where are the opportunities to make my life happy and contented and peaceful. Then I can understand what are my challenges. What is the challenge for everybody? Challenge is that you must use your potential powers, that is the strength, to progress, and you should try to remove, to nullify, to reduce your weaknesses. That is most important. This all swak can give happy, healthy, and long life. Long is the last word. First, happy, healthy, and then long life. Only long life. no useful. So our efforts, own efforts, is the most precious stone, as Dr. Deshpande will tell you in each video. Palmistry, Dr. Deshpande is doing mainly for research purpose. Palmistry is called as Hasta Samudrika. Palmistry is a occult science till today. Effects are seen. Why it is occult? Effects are seen. But to prove cause and effect relationship, we all people will need documentary evidences. Then only scientific people will believe that palmistry is a good science or not only occult science. So scientific evidences are must. So palmist Dr. Deshpande appeal for feedback from you. Send photos and information on this particular mail ID, palmistdrrajendra@gmail.com. Palmistry is a holistic science like Ayurveda. Note, palmistry is a holistic science and not fragmental. So we have to think many things together and then we can predict or we can say something about personality. We have to check the color of the palm, texture of the palm that we are going to see today, shape, rectangular, square, shape of the palm, flexibility of the hand, then these different mounts. We have yesterday first video. Please check my every video. So this is a index finger, Guru mount, Guru finger. Shani mount, Shani finger. Ravi mount, Ravi finger. Buddha, Buddha mount, Buddha finger. This is thumb. Okay. Here, and here. Mars, M-A-R-S, Mars, Mangal. This is the Shukra. And this is Chandra, moon, mount. Okay. So we have to consider the different mounts, then positive and negative signs on the, what you can say, the mounts on the lines, then finger. And lastly, we must consider these main lines and secondary lines. And altogether, we can understand personality and the predictions. But still from single point. Then you say, sir, why you are making these different videos? Because single point can give clue, not final diagnosis. Provisional diagnosis can be made. So, Dr. Rajendra will give you some clues with different points. If some clues mentioned by me are matching with you, please let me know. Yes, whatever you have mentioned there, it is very correct with me. But please do not come to the final conclusion by a single point. Next, observe and feel the texture of the palm. This is palm. You have to just move like this. In the child, we move the hand like this on the face. Child, infant, below 5 years, below 2 years, and you can feel, oh, how smooth, how delicate. It's like silky. And some, how much rough hand. After washing, that washerman people, our servants, our maid who are working all the time with the rough surfaces, their hands are rough hands. But that is not physiological. So whenever you check anything, we have to check, is it from the lifelong tendency or is it with the some disease, vitamin A deficiency, toad skin. That is abnormal. As I am a medical doctor, I will always compare all these palmistry points with our health. So this is very interesting. Other palmists, those who are not doctors, those who are not medical doctors, they will tell you just go on and go on and go on explanation. But this is more important. You have to see the natural tendency. If it is abnormal because of some disease like vitamin A deficiency, toad skin, if some abrasions are there because of the burns, scar, wounds, then we have to choose another alternative, not only texture. Texture is only one point. Then you have to see another hand. There are different things that we get. That is exceptional. But routinely, everybody, we can feel our hand and we can decide what is the texture. Basically, 5 textures you must understand. First is a clammy. I'm going to give you everything in detail, but clammy is like moisture, lot of moisture. When you feel, oh, water, little bit clammy, tensed person, clammy. So this person is introvert. Then papery. Normally 70, 80, 90% people will have the papery hand. Like your normal paper. You take any paper and your notebook paper, book papers, and you feel that paper is with your hand. Okay, so this is something social personality, grainy, little bit more rough than the papery. Roughness is little more. Okay, so that is extrovert one plus, and coarse. Coarse is a very rough, like the paper, when we do on the painting of the wall, there we have the polished paper. Do you know this word polished paper? This is coarse. Hand is feeling like a polished paper. Very rough, very rough. Okay, so clammy is with the little bit sweat. This is little bit soft. This is dry, and this is more dry. Okay, and silk is extremely smooth. Everybody knows how the silk sari. For example, you must first touch to the silk sari or the silk cloth and move the hands on it. And after that then you feel this particular person's hand. Now, what experiments you can do, because we all together are doing research on the palm history. Okay, so not only you yourself, you can check your brother, you can check your sister, you can check your mother, you can check your father, you can check your wife, you can check your children, everybody's hand, one point, single point. Try to see. As many hands you will see, you will find a little difference. But every time I am giving little bit percentage in these all 5 types, maximum type is papery. Remember my words. Then there may be silk, say for example 10%, then grainy and coarse maybe of little bit 10%, clammy maybe 5%. So this is the percentage. That also we must know. These coarse, silk, these are something little less percentage. Papery is a common. Okay. Clammy. Moist. Many times the skin is moist with wet, W-E-T, with the sweat. Okay. These people are always emotional people and oversensitive personality. Little bit here and these words, they get hurted. Oh, how he can speak with me like that? Oh, I get stressed with his anger, wife's anger, husband's anger, children anger. Huh? This person get examination is there. Stage daring. If he has to talk on give the webinar, he will be afraid. No, anxious, emotional. Okay, take the tensions of small and big issues in the life. Always tenseful. Okay, so these are all the weaknesses of this. This is sensitive is a good thing, but oversensitive is a weakness of your personality. So if you have this type of problems, you must get some counseling. You must try to improve yourself, and definitely you can improve. Your headline is very good if your emotional line is very good, but if your emotional line is also weak, weak, and you have the clammy skin problem, so it is not problem means 100% and all the time problem. We can improve. Efforts are needed. Remains anxious and worried about different things, about examination, about interviews, about the social activity, mixing with the friends, mixing with the society. So they try to want aloof, non-social. I am and my work, that's finished. Don't want to talk anybody because he gets tensed, fearful in the mind. Different phobias. Phobia is a type of fear. Medical word is there. So there is a phobia of communication. Communication with any other person, with the wife, with the husband, with the neighbor, with the teacher, with the friend. Okay, stage daring is less. Examination tension, car driving tension, very high place. If they climb up, oh no, I am afraid to go upstairs. So different types of phobias will be there. Next, very common, paper skin. All we have the paper skin. Skin is fine and dry, not that much too dry. It's a little bit dry, maybe slightly yellowish in color. Palm lines just perceptible under fingertip. If I move my hand on these basic 3 lines, this is lifeline, this is headline. 3 lines are important. Always see life, head, and heart line. If I move my fingertip like this, fingertip, then these lines are just a percent. You can feel not too much and not too low. Okay, thumb ball. This thumb ball is flat. Huh? So signifying emotional coolness. They are not too much sympathetic. Okay, practical people. So the sensitive side not fine enough to the intuitive perception. They will not go for hearing their inner mind. They will be quick. Whatever external practicable things, they will start doing that thing. Respond to the visual, verbal, and information based stimuli. They will be stimulated if they are working with the computer. If they are looking for some games and the movies, they are with the people in the society, verbal. So they will be happy to do all these activities with visual activity, verbal activity, information based stimuli. Because these people are quite intelligent people. They are practical people. They don't go for only emotional, dreamy. No, 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 not like very practical, day-to-day thinking. So they will require the society. They will require the interaction. They want that wife and husband, children and parents, they should talk with each other. Okay. So activity is there in papery people. Like an environment where there is an exchange of idea takes place. They are happy. Communication is present. They are happy. If you ask them, no, 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 you just sit alone, they will not be happy. They will not be contented. They like some any activity, but activity not too much, not too much. Okay, moderate type of activity. Respond well to the sound and images, words and pictures. So they are more people like IT people, information technology, communication, okay, film industry, Bollywood industry, media people. So all these people are having paper skin. Even doctors. The whatever the business that you have with the society, society communication is there. Society interaction, family interaction is there. This type of activity, this type of business, this type of occupation, they will prefer. But there is one problem. In the first meeting, these people will not immediately get out. That means getting exposed themselves, express themselves. They are a little bit cool. First, they will see, okay, this group is good. I can match my wavelength with this person, with this group, with this activity. When they are comfortable in their mind that I can well do with this party, with this communication, with this group, then they will open up themselves. Then they have a lot of talk. Then they have a lot of discussions, lot of debates. But the first meeting, they will just catch whether that surrounding environment is suited for me or not. That will be confirmed, and then they become social. This is the peculiarity of the paper scheme. Okay, so which are the occupations that are always found in the paper scheme, with where communication, interactions with the person or the machine, for example, computer internet exists, public relation officers, then teachers, students, salesperson, doctors, lawyers, media people, information technology people, graphic designers, painters, cartoon makers, images, verbal, visual things are all around. Society is all around, and they are doing the activity, interaction with the society when their wavelength match. I hope that paper skin is very clear. Grainy. Further step, dry, 2 plus. First line there was dryness, but here more dryness. Palm lines are clearly visible, number one, and easily felt. Two words are there. Papery, papery feeling will be there, but here you can see clear cut by just looking, not touching even. And when you feel, okay, lot of lines are there. You can feel even the minor lines, not only the big lines, not only one, two, three, but you can feel the different lines. Palpate, you can palpate. One is inspection by just look, and another is a palpation. In the paper scheme, only the big lines are palpable, but here some small lines may be also palpable, and they are very well visible, minor lines. You can see minor lines are very difficult here. But here in grainy skin, because it is more rough, okay? So the skin slightly rough, thumb ball This one. There, paper skin, it was flat, but here it is more developed. What is more developed? In when it is a flat, emotionally they are not very interactive. Emotions are little bit suppressed. Here, open, get opened. Okay, so grainy is opened more than paper skin. They need the activity and stimulus. Likes to keep active. The activity level increases. Activity level increases. In the paper skin, stimulus was, even he is alone, like here I am sitting now. Okay, there is nobody in this particular room, but I am happy because I am interacting with the verbal or the visual. I have done the PPT. So just try to differentiate these two people. Paper skin is extrovert 1 plus, grainy skin extrovert 2 plus. They can't be sit alone. No, they will get bored. Or if they don't have any activity, you will ask them just read this book, very good book. Paper skin can person can read that book for 1 hour. Why? Because there are some words over there. There is intellectual interaction is there. He is understanding what is written. But these grainy people will not be happy just by reading, just by looking movies. They want open air and they want physically more active, not intellectually. Okay, easily bored and likes to keep active, good at sports, outdoor games, not the indoor or computer games. No, paper skin can work with the computer games or the mobile games, but grainy skin, no. They will require open air, ground, field work. They will be happy. Quick responses like kho 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 kho. They are very active. Badminton, shot at, volleyball. Huh? So lawn team, Boris Becker. So they will be happy with physical some marvelous activities. Grainy skin. Do not like passive activities like meditation. Not for green. Karma yoga is for the grainy skin. Karma yoga. Okay. Then bhakti yoga may be for paper skin. Bhakti yoga only sitting in front of the god. Jai Deva, Jai Deva. Huh? So prayers and all these bhajanas, he can be enjoyable for the paper skin. Grainy skin will not be very happy with this type of the what you can say the introvert type of activities. They want more open, get open themselves. Their personality is bound to get boom like that. So they like the passive. They don't like the passive activities like meditation, mantra chanting. Do not like the bhakti yoga. They are the people for karma yoga. Social work, they will visit to 100 people. They will train them, yoga, aerobics, PT teachers. So they will be active. Relaxation for these people is difficult. If you ask now, sit down over here, close your eyes, and say, "Oh, not for grainy." Please don't advise the grainy people. They will work in the gardens, but not only group activity. Group yoga will be better for them. Group physical training is good for them. So they have want the more strenuous, more physical, more action all the time in their life, more overtimes. Of course, not at night. Work hard and play hard. Both the working and playing is important for them. Hobbies, they also not the silent like reading, hearing the music. No, not for them. But enjoy the active hobbies like skiing, going to the mountains, driving, boom, with the group, again with the group, not alone. DJ, go in the alari. So they will like the DJ music with the group, with the group, with the group. Rajo Guna predominance. Ayurveda says Sattva, Raj, and Tam. Sattva is a little bit silence. Raja Guna is more active, and Tama Guna is controlling activity. Restrict yourself. Okay. So these are the Rajoguna, incentive driven working. They want some returns, whatever they are doing. So they expect the returns. Business, ambitious attitude, like to remain busy always. Business people are like the grain skin. Do not like the displays of emotions, but they are more practical people. They will not be bothered about crying and nervous. and some sentimental things and relations, they will say, okay, okay. If there is a, for example, marriage of some close relative, and they have some appointment with some another business activity, they will say, okay, I will come little bit 5 10 minutes late because I have this particular meeting. Okay, so this is like a practical approach than the emotional approach. They will not trap into the emotions. Next, superative degree, coarse. The skin is very thick, hard and rough to the touch, most abrasive. Abrasive, you can understand abrasion. It's like a cuts. So it's very, 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 very rough. So each line is like a furrow, F-U-R-R-O-W, furrow, very deep lines, and like a pit or like a pit or hole of this area. So rough to the touch and almost abrasive, abrasive skin, not very sensitive for pain and temperature. This is not at all delicate, not at all delicate. They are very rough and tough. Their hands are like rough and tough. They are not soft by physical and mental level. Not at all softness is there. So you must accept these people as they are the rough and tough people. Don't expect many delicate things. Don't expect that he will give you rose to the girlfriend or rose to the spouse. No, not at all. He will say, okay, I love you. He will be dashing, expressing his love. He will embrace. Oh, my dear. Oh, take this rose. I love you. No, no, no. He will not say like that. Okay. So these are the rough and tough personality. Palm lines are few. Palm lines are few. Not these three. Three are always there. But more over there, secondary lines. They overall network will be less. Here we must understand why the lines are indicating your inner thinking process, inner mind. So when the think inner side is lot of thinking process is going on, lines are more and more. If less thinking in the inner side, limited thinking, practical thinking, point to the point thinking, they don't bother about. So these are not so much intellectually higher personalities. Okay, because they have that intelligence. I am not saying they are not mad people or they are the low IQ intelligent person. No, not like that. They are clever people, but they are more prefer the physical skill. Physically, they may be carpenter, electrician. These are the clever people. Don't disregard these people. But these people are working with their hands and with their skills. This is more important. So they have the basic lines. Basic lines means basic thoughts which are needed for the life. They will not think too much. They will not think too much bother about the emotions, relativity, sensitization. No, I am like this, they will say openly. So, thumb ball is flat and hard. Hmm? Next, activities interested in more physical than intellectual or emotional. I have already explained to you. Can tolerate hard physical labor work, sports, cultural programs, but get bored in indoor or silent activities. Like same like a grainy skin. Grainy and coarse are little bit nearer. But coarse skin is more favorable for skillful physical activities. And grainy skins are more working with the active environment, with the society, with the group activity. Okay? Do not like the formalities and emotions are blunt. Okay. Alright. Just now I have heard that he is not feeling well and we should go. No, no, we will finish this work and then we will go. So this much. He is not too much sensitive, too much formalities are not there. When you call the carpenter, when you call the electrician, when you contact the building workers, construction people, they are rough and tough in their mannerisms also. People like you and me, sometimes you visit to the seniors, we stand a little bit apart. We wait when our seniors looks to me and say, excuse me, sir. So these people will directly enter into your house. No appointments, no appointments. They will say, why appointment? No formalities. So I had the time and I came. But better you should call me. No, 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 no. I don't have mobile. I don't want that calling. Do you have work right now? I will do. So they are like this. They don't expect, or rather, you should not expect too much formalities, etiquettes, mannerisms from them. That doesn't mean they are the bad people. They are not at all bad people, but they are lacking too much mannerisms, too much etiquettes, masking of the face, pretending something. No, they will expose, they will express themselves, which they are. If they don't know, they will say, "No, doctor, we don't know. You ask him. I don't know where he has gone." So there is no pretending. Huh? There is no masking and another thinking inside. Whatever inside is coming up directly. Get happy when someone encourages them to talk about themselves. This is very interesting point. As these people are what you can say, not too much emotional, too much intellectual background in their inner conscious. If somebody takes the cognizance, if some another person takes the cognizance of this person, carpenter, painter, whatever these people are, laborers, and if you carefully or emotionally talk with them and ask their details, from which part of the India you have come, from Bihar, okay, what you were doing over there. So they are happy to talk about themselves because they have never got the chance to express their inner inside breadth of data. And now when you are asking them, they get chance to express their inner database. You understand? So when someone encourages them, they talk about themselves very freely and honestly. This type may be seen in people doing physical, skillful hardship activities. Examples are like mechanical laborers, mechanics people, carpenters, potters, labor in the construction business, and the farmers. They are very honest, they are rough and tough people, and they are outside what they are inside. This is the simple thing. This is simple thing. Paper skin may be something different. Masking may be there. But as you go grainy and coarse type of the people, they are more physically strong, physically active, and not taking too much care of their inner emotions and the intelligence. Silky, a totally different from coarse, totally different from grainy. You understand? Silk, silk. How much smooth. Just imagine silk, smooth, smooth and smooth, delicate, 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 soft, 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 no hard, no rough and tough. They are the people of delicacy. They are not only the ladies, but some male gender is also having silky skin. Very rarely. More silky skin will be found in the female gender, in the ladies. But yes, some male also have this type of the silky skin. Silk is a fragile, very delicate. Just to doctor, oh, what you're doing? I'm just touching your hand. Oh, what you're doing? They get shocked. But like your core skin, they will not feel anything. They don't have any pain, touch, temperature. Don't bother. These people, even if they touch a little bit warm thing, oh my God, how hot, how hot. Arre, it is not hot. Some other coarse person will take this hot plate from the fire and take it outside. And he will not feel bother about too much heat and this pain. But heat and pain will be felt by the silky person. They are so delicate. Not only hand indicates your personality. Hand indicates your personality. So these people are very delicate, soft, physically, mentally, emotionally. Okay? So fragile, silky smooth, delicate and thin, very thin hand, thin skin. I'm saying thin skin. Palm lines are so fine, minute, very thin, not thick, very thin and very superficial. If you spread like that even, you cannot feel, oh, just palpable, just visible, just only little, not felt, not seen. So these are fine lines, barely detectable. Thumb ball easily crush, is very, very soft, very, very delicate. Significant when it is crushed, you can just squeeze it out. Coarse skin, it is hard. Okay, in the paper it is flat without any emotions. This is hard, but this easily crushed signifies the lack of vigor, lack of energy, lack of vitality is there. Energy power is less. Too much sensitive, not by hand, by mind, by personality. Very sensitive. If you talk them a little bad word, little harsh word, or little more in a more loud way. For example, if my student is having the silky skin, silky palm, and if I say, stand up, why you have not completed your homework? Why you have not completed your homework? And she started crying. She started crying loudly. This is typical silky skin, palm personality. Too much sensitive. Father, mother, colleague, friend, neighbor, if anybody in the society talks with them in a little bit harsh word, harsh language, not routine language, they get their emotions tear off. Start running their eyes. Lot of crying. Okay, so these are the too much sensitivity. Very receptive, intensely aware of the aura, can catch the vibrations of surrounding atmosphere. As their sensitivity, again try to understand, they are very, very, very sensitive. Just like words, words, words can change their emotions and thoughts. Similarly, even the atmospheric perception, aura, what we call, they can catch. Ah, is there any something burning is there? Have you kept the milk on the gas and it is poured out? It is damaged. They can understand the smell. They can understand very subtle smell, very subtle sound, any subtle sensations, any subtle S-U-B-T, subtle sensations can be pursued by silky because these people have a very strong, what you can say, the sensitivity, very strong perception of the words, of the vision, of the sound, of the touch, of the taste, very subtle perception. So they are very clever in understanding or catching the sensations from the environment, catching the sensations from the environment. Okay, delicate, and they are avoid loud things. As I have already told you, their sensitivity regarding the touch, their sensitivity regarding the eyes, their sensitivity regarding the smell, their sensitivity regarding the ear, their sensitivity regarding the taste is so delicate and so sharp. Anything loud, they cannot tolerate. If somebody embers them, they will be get disturbed. If somebody, what you can say, that trouble them, they will not happy. Huh? In the love affair, in the friendship, non-friendship, they will be get tortured or they will be get bothered if you make behave with them or activity with them any harsh activity. So selective in the dress wear, very careful about the personal hygiene, get stressed when room or surrounding is dirty or untidy. Due to delicate constitution, they are very prone to the skin problems because sensitivity, lot of, what you can say, the super or unnatural sensitivity, which is not physiological, extreme sensitivity that can cause the allergy, that can cause the digestion problems, nervous system problems, allergy problem, and the phobias. So these people will select the occupation which is very delicate and sensitive. They can be good infant teachers because kids are very good to get sensitized. Care workers, NGOs, non-governmental organization, healers, some artists, spiritual sadhak, and religious professionals. They do not like or uncomfortable or other comfortable with the stressful job where there is ambition, hustle and bustle, and rat race is there. They will not be always happy. In the stressful and aggressive environment, they get withdrawn and they will get stressed. So Now we will talk about texture of the skin from backside. Okay. So individuals' innate degree of refinement or civilization can be seen over here. There are basically two types: fine. Everybody, 95% are having fine skin over here, not here, here. And some have the rough skin, that is coarse skin. So you have to see from the backside. Can you see the cursor over here? Here, backside is there. Fine texture, more the fine, more sophisticated, refined, and sensitive person. The person dislikes anything which is vulgar, coarse, and brutish. These are finer skin is sophisticated people. They are neat and decent in everything. 98% people having the finer texture. Enjoy the company who are equally sophisticated. May not like, may like or respect more down to earth people, but may not find it easy to relax and enjoy the company in a social environment. Okay, they will like the people who are having subdued, what you can say, the little bit below their dignity, but in the society they will not mix with these people. Coarse texture from the backside, basic and down to earth nature. People are less complex and less prone to being nervous or worried because they don't bother much intellectually. They are more skillful people, and they very simple people, uncomplicated nature, and do not like to pretend. No masking, no sophistication, manners. These are less in these people, and they are practically clever people. Laziness sometimes can affect because of the coarse skin, and less efforts they make to achieve their targets. Like intellectual people, they will work hard and they get success. But these people are less ambitious and lazy type of people. So last is the consistency of hand, hard, elastic, and soft. This is understood by shake hand. You have to do the shake hand with these people. Okay. The harder the hand, when you make, oh, how hard, more energy is there. This hard consistency will prefer to work more physical work than the intellectual work. Elastic consistency, this is 95%. We all have elastic consistency, indicates although person is energetic, the energy is more intelligently directed. Where to work, how much to work. They are calculative type of people. Very active and adaptable. They can adjust with the people. Tough attitude, calculative personality. By sweet and smooth pitch, by tongue, they get the work done with the people. Seen on the higher post, executives, successful business people, leaders, and advocates, wherever the area where the control on the mob or control of the society is required, this elastic consistency will be helpful. Soft. Soft consistency is, as the word says, very, very delicate. Lower the degree of physical energy, no physical energy, enjoy resting and taking life easily, less inclined to exert themselves to make the efforts to achieve the goals. No. Lazy person wants to spend most of the time taking it easy, relax, indulging their desires and enjoying luxurious life. Indulging need not be physical. That means they make time pass not only physically but mentally also. They make the time pass. They are intellectually inclined to their will dream, read, think, and perhaps argue the intellectual points with their friends. Implementation is less. Implementation is less. Working in the field is less with the soft skill. These people may have all the skill and intelligence to produce a work of the highest quality, but making the effort is a problem. Effort making is a problem with soft consistency. So they get back in their whole progress of the life. Can get easily pressured by opponents and so face difficulties in life. Anybody can make a pressure on them. Do this, I will say this. Otherwise, you will be kicked out. So they will again rush and do that particular thing. So all the time they may get stressed because of the burden of all the other society people, also because of the workload. Flexibility of hand. This is also a topic. Now you have to how to check the flexibility. Straight hand and then try to bend. Okay, like this from here, from the wrist. Okay, so this is something like a flexible hand. So hard, straight, and flexible. Hard hand, absolute no bending. It's very difficult to bend. No daring of new ventures or ideas, even not open-minded, because they are very tough in their inner side, inner consciousness. They do not like to change any change in the life. They are very narrow minded. Whatever I am doing is correct. Whatever I do, I will do only that thing. I will not accept the new thing. I will not change myself. So no adaptability, and selfish people are these. Lifestyle like the ancestors and traditional outlook. Choose to work hard and no shortcuts, because hard physically also hard. They are conservative, not open-minded, cautious. Oh, something will take my this thing, money. Some will take my name, fame, and money. So they are always worried. Somebody will take out their personality, physical good points. Do not want to open up and share ideas, so they are always prevent you in their personality. Keep secrecy, and stingy, cannot spend money easily. Flexibility is straight hand. Now hard is different and straight is different. Hard is like this even. You cannot make that straight also. This is very hard, very stiff, but straight like that. Okay, something. This is straight. It is not totally. My hand is not totally fixed. It is a straight hand. Flexible means from this it will totally like this, totally, fully, like Dhanurasana in the yoga. Flexibility of the straight hand is a. These people are little bit serious and balanced. The mind knows that life is a problem which has to be solved thoughtfully. So they will not too much emotional, too much practical, in between. So they are sympathetic, but helps only who are needed. Needy people, they will help. They will not donate. No, take it from. Oh no, they will check whether my donation is a right time, right people, right person. They will not otherwise do the sympathetic nature. Listen properly and understand the facts, and then react. Total process is going on in their mind. Uses the money properly, proper adaptability, not too stiff and not too loose, the balanced personality. Now, totally, Dhanurasana, total from here, it will touch like it can touch over here. Can you see? Touch like here. So this is very rare. But yes, some people are very flexible, can bend too much, great adaptability, mold according to the situation. They are very good adaptive people, extremely sympathetic, emotional, easily moved by the painful stories, and can be cheated. This is very important. Too much sensitivity, too much sympatheticness can make endanger to you, because anybody can tell something very, oh, I have lost my everything, please help me, I have nothing in my house, I don't have any relatives, can I stay over here for one day? They will stay with you one day and next day make a robbery and go out. So this cheating is possible if your hand is too flexible. Very sensible, sometimes lose practical approach and understand quickly, because they will not understand the money matter. They are very okay. I don't bother about money. I will do this my art. I will donate this. This is very wrong. They are practically less matured people, but they are versatile people, because of the flexibility they can work in this field, another field, another field. They have versatile, have the number of talents. Hence, danger of diversifying the energy. Mind works rapidly, so tendencies always go fast. They have the different ideas, flexible. So then this, they will always move. So, lot of things that I have discussed: texture, consistency, and flexibility. These are the key important topics that we have discussed. This is my mail ID, pamisdrrajendra@gmail.com. I repeat, do not make any conclusion from one single point, because honestly, the holistic decisions are taken. But if you find that some points are applicable to you, what I have mentioned, please send the totally flexible hands and your personality, which points are applicable to you, which points you like, that this particular description is, yes, I am that type of the scheme. I have that type of the flexibility. I have that type of the consistency. You see this video again and again, and then see the different palms of yourself, your father, mother, wife, children, society people, neighbor, and send me the very good photographs. Okay, this is research documents. Last, I wish all the best. Wish you happy, healthy, and long life. So prayer is for good for everybody. Oh, सर्वे भी सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु कामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात् ॐ शान्ति. Thank you very much. I very much thankful for your kindness, for your cooperation, for your love for my genuine activities. I request please share my videos to maximum WhatsApp groups and mail groups. Please make the likes, write your name, address, who you are, and how do you feel about my all these activities. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also ask your friends to subscribe my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you very much. I say bye bye to you. I wish you all the best. Please take care of yourself. Bye bye. So I am saying bye bye to you, my dear friends.